What's up, everybody? Today we're back with another Pokemon booster pack unboxing here. We got the Jungle set, released in 1999. This is the second set of all time, only after the base set. Okay, released with 3 different artworks. My favorite one is the Flareon we have here. It also came with nice, crispy, Wigglytuff, nice little, very bright ball. Also got the Scyther, blending in with the background there. Very nice. Okay. As usual, we're going to give this buddy a little weigh here. Okay. 21.2. Okay. We're not really sure what the weights are, but we're hoping it's a heavy. Okay. Supposedly there's 1 in 3 chances of a hit of a holographic here. Okay, we're going to go nice and easy here. Okay, I think it's begging to be closed when opened from the top here. Oof. Oof. Okay. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Okay. First buddy is Paris. Paris is first buddy. Okay. I think it's... I don't remember how many cards. I'm gonna say 2. Let's do 3. Okay. Butterfree. Definitely didn't get the card trick right there. Okay, we got the uncommon Butterfree. Very nice card. Love the artwork. Got Buddy Weeping Bell here. Okay. Hey, Dodrio. Buddy Dodrio. Oh, I don't know if the next one's the... If the next one's... No, yeah. Okay, it's a common. Okay. Good. Back to Paris. Oh, maybe I did get it right. Okay. Paris. Pokeball. Nice crisp, like Pokeball floating in the pond, I guess. Sparrow just giving it to that worm. Got Meowth, just in that little gold. We got Goldeen. Okay, we got Oddish, Buddy Oddish. Eggs are cute. Okay, eggs are always a good thing. Whoa. Its body is soft and rubbery. Ooh, it's gotta be that. Oh, Wigglytuff. For me, I thought it was Ditto. But we got Wigglytuff. Holographic. Look at that bling bling. Ooh.